What's up, you guys? It's your girl NOVALIZ and welcome back to my channel. I know I got a bare face. So I did ask you guys here on YouTube and on Instagram if you guys want to see my go-to makeup routine, and a lot of you said yes. It's been a hot minute. If you guys been following me since the beginning, you guys already know I used to do a lot of makeup tutorials here on my channel, and then I steered away and I was like, no. I went on a completely different path, and you know what? It feels good to be back and let's do some makeup because I can't stand to see myself like this. And yes, I am wet plopping my hair. No shame, okay? This is what I do. Y'all wanted to know my routine? This is what I do. When I do my hair and my makeup on the same day, I always do my hair first. That way I can wet plop and it'll be easier for me to dry my hair. So if you guys want to know what wet plopping is, I will link the video. Not sure on which side. So you guys, I do my makeup so different. Like, I was looking at old tutorials and I was just like, wow, I used to like really cake it on. I used to do my makeup for hours. It would take me like at least 2 hours to 3 hours. I mean, I really don't know how I used to do that, and now I'm like held to the know. This makeup routine I'm gonna show you guys, I'm literally done in 40 minutes. Like, it does not take me longer than that. If I'm just jamming out, got my music on, literally in like 40 minutes I can do this whole entire routine. So for primer, I'm gonna use this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys, my makeup collection is so small. Like, it's super condensed, like compared to like how I used to have it. Girl, this is all of my go-to makeup. Like, it's literally on one tray. I feel like one tray is enough. All that extra stuff we used to buy like back in the day, like I say back in the day, but like before 2020, you know, you don't need that much makeup. So I literally have everything I need here. And then you guys, these are all of my lipsticks. It's all in one tray, and I'm about to go through these and throw out some more. Like, crazy how far I done came. All right, so I finally applied my color corrector. I always do this. It's something that is necessary in my makeup steps. So I'm going to apply my concealer everywhere that I want to highlight. The inner corner of the eye and also the outside. I know I look super scary, but you know, trust the process, okay? Then I'm going to contour, and I'm gonna pick this one up from ColourPop, the No Filter stick. Wow. Why did I struggle to say that? Oh my god, you guys, you see that? Oh my god, look at the longest piece of gray hair you ever seen in your life. Yo, what? I do like this foundation stick, but I do want to get a new one. I've been using this forever and I'm tired of it. I like to apply my nose contour with a brush. That way I'm not heavy-handed, and that way my nose also doesn't get like too much product, because it could easily get super cakey. So I don't do that. Now I'm going to blend out the contour. I know it looks crazy, but again, trust the process. And I did accidentally put way too much on my forehead. I got distracted talking to you guys, but it's all good. Now I'm going to apply my highlight. I'm gonna take this concealer right here from Pat McGrath. I actually bought this way too light for my skin tone, so that's why I mix it. This concealer by itself is so beautiful and it's so brightening. I'm also gonna apply it on my eyelids, since I do have some darkness there. Really quick, I also like to have my translucent powder ready. That way I can set right away. And honestly, you guys, I really don't know why it took me this long to do my makeup this way. Like, it's just so much better and easier and way faster. And I find it that I use less product. Like, I used to waste so much foundation, and I don't know, you guys, I really don't do eyeshadow like that anymore. I literally only wore eyeshadow, I don't even know, maybe 5 times last year. Like, it's very, very little. Like, I didn't even wear eyeshadow on my birthday. I did this routine and then lashes. I don't know, I really don't care for eyeshadow. The last palette I bought was the Amrezy one, and for nothing, because then like the whole lockdown happened and we got stuck in the house, and I really didn't want to do any makeup tutorials. I wasn't really in the mood. I spent a lot of time outside, like going on walks, just being, you know, more active in that way. And I don't know, I feel like last year was such a blur. If it wasn't for videos and stuff, like I literally wouldn't be putting makeup on. Who am I kidding? Does that even sound like me? Nah. I would be wearing makeup even if I weren't doing videos, but not like that anyway, is what I'm trying to say. Like, there's nothing on this brush. I'm just gonna go over my nose contour. I go over my contour a couple of times. All right, so I'm done with my concealer and I'm going to set it right away, only under my eyes though. And I'm using the Laura Mercier powder. One tip for your concealer is like make sure the last motion is inward. So I'm gonna go inward, pick up my powder, and set the under eye. And again, I'm only doing my under eye for now. And I'm also gonna set the top of the lids. I almost forgot. I also like to apply concealer here. For foundation, I'm going in with this L'Oreal True Match. I'm going to use the shade N6.5. I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers. This foundation is honestly one of my favorites. It looks so skin-like. It doesn't make you look cakey. It kind of gives you a glow, but not too much. A natural glow. I'm going to set my forehead. I'm gonna set my forehead. That sounded so funny. I'm gonna go ahead and set only my forehead and my nose. Yes. So I'm going to use this Anastasia contour kit. This is in the shade Tan to Deep. I'm only going to use these two shades right here. They're on the lighter side. And I do more of like a light dusting. You gotta get the neck, because you know, we're all suffering from tech neck these days. I'm also going to go over my nose contour. I flick it right here in this area, because that'll mimic like my eyebrows are fuller than what they are. And then another trick I like to do is I take the same contour shades. I'm gonna go over my lid area, just in my crease. It'll just add more definition. So we didn't set the cheeks just yet, because I'm gonna go in with my favorite product ever. This is a cream blush. I do have two different shades here. They're both from Milk Makeup. This is the shade Work. It's a very neutral mauve-y pink shade. I love it. I love the glow it gives me. And I also have it in the shade Quirk, which is a very pretty wine-ish color. These products smell so freaking good, but I want to go in with the darker shade today. So I'm gonna apply it here on my cheeks. And it's crazy how small this is. I just got this and I didn't realize how small this one is compared to the larger one. This one is 1 ounce and then this is 21 ounces. So I mean, you get a lot of products. Nah, you get a lot of products. I mean, look at that. That's a lot of cream blush to get through. So that's why I ordered the smaller one. I've had this one forever now, like, and I have way too much product left. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna even get through all of this. I'm gonna grab my Real Techniques brush. I like that it's like on the like an angle flatter side, and I just tap. I tap this in. Oh, you see how beautiful that is? If you can get one product out of everything that I'm using today, I would say get this, because it just makes your makeup look so natural, and you don't have to set it if you don't want to. It just depends on like what look you're going for. But now that like we're wearing masks, yeah, you should set it. Like, it's gonna get all over your mask. And you guys, speaking of mask, my face has been getting better. I did a face mask the other day from, what is it, Glam Glow. I had like one of those samples because my skin was going through it, like especially like at the gym with the damn mask on, making you sweat, and like I just feel like it's just mad crap getting on your skin, and you're trying to detox your skin by sweating. So it's like, I'm telling you, before all the masks and stuff, when I used to work out, my skin was fuego. Like, so pretty, so clear. So you guys see how pretty that blush is. And then I'm going to set it. Where's my powder? Now I'm gonna go back in with the contour and set the contour first, only on the outer part. Now I'm going to set the blush. I'm gonna use MAC's Love Thing. This is one of my like top 5 favorite blushes in the whole world. I've been using it for years. It's so beautiful. It's a very pretty wine color, and a little bit goes a long way, like the tiniest amount, because girl, you could easily look like a clown. And it was funny because I used this blush a few weeks ago when it was snowing, and I took some pictures outside. I'll insert a clip. My face was so freaking red, and then my mom was like, oh my god, you have way too much blush on. And I didn't realize how much blush I had on because I did my makeup in yellow lighting. I used a bathroom light. It was pretty dark out, and I was like, oh whatever, like if the picture comes all bad, I'll just fix it with a filter, which is exactly what I had to do because the original was just insane. But blush is also one of those things like you can pack on and it will be the first thing to fade out. So by the time you go outside, like let's say you're heavy-handed like I did right now, just grab your beauty blender and go over it over and over, and it's gonna be one of the first things to fade off anyway. I am going to set like my mouth area. So all I do is just pick up a little bit of translucent powder and I make the funniest face. I go like this. Ready to see that again? I actually got that trick watching Carly Bible here on YouTube. If you guys don't know who she is, I don't know where you've been. She's like one of the top bloggers in the world. So yeah, I learned that trick from her. And then I also apply a little bit on my forehead just to smooth things over. Plus my hair is wet, so I'm about to take it down. And by me putting powder here, it's just gonna protect my skin because I do break out from time to time from all those products in my hair. So the face is pretty much done. I actually don't highlight. You heard that correctly. The Glow Queen does not highlight. I haven't highlighted in over, it's been more than a year since I've last highlighted. I literally only highlight on my nose, and I only use like 2 different highlighters. The first one is this one right here from Maybelline, the Master Chrome. My tapa broke, so this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I need to be careful too because it did like pop right out, and I literally just use my finger. I only put it on the tip of my nose. That's it. That's literally all I do. I stopped doing that because I feel like my skin looks better without the highlight, to be honest with you. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. My eyebrows didn't come out the greatest today, but you know, they're not that bad either. So this is the eyebrow pencil I like to use. It's from Benefit. It's called the Precisely My Brow Pencil. I use the shade number 5, and I know it's lighter than my actual hair color, but I actually kind of like that. I used to use my natural hair color like back in the day, and I found that it made my eyebrows look very harsh, very strong. And I used to do my eyebrows before I started like doing my actual makeup, and I find that I used to do it so hard that my eyebrows just look crazy, and I feel like it looks more natural this way when I do it over my foundation. I don't know, it's something that I've noticed. All right, you guys, we're literally almost done. I just have 2 more steps, 3 more steps, 4, 5 steps. They're quick though. So moving on to eyes, I'm literally gonna just do my lashes because that's what I do. Before I do my lashes though, I like to do a small thin line across my eye, and I like to use this ink liner from NYX. So it's super affordable. It's like $5. So I'm literally gonna just do a line across my eye. No wing or anything. I haven't done a wing in so long that I don't think I'm capable of doing a wing at this point because it's been that long. Okay, one side came out a little thicker than the other one, but you know, no one's gonna know. Like, how would they know? I mean, I'm gonna know, but. And then for mascara, I'm using this baby one from Fenty Beauty, which I actually do like. For lashes, I'm gonna go in with this Ardell one. These are the double 113s. These are all-time top 5 favorites. Like, they're so bomb, So pretty, so natural. So while my lash glue is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and set my whole face. I'm gonna go in with this dewy set from Anastasia Beverly Hills, because your girl loves to glow. I literally do only 3, and this smells so good. 3 sprays is all you need, because then you're gonna be like way too cakey and way too dewy. You know, there is such thing as too much. All right, so let's pick out a lip. I think I'm gonna do, I always do this lip liner. This is from KKW in nude 2.5. I wouldn't recommend this though, because yeah, look at this. You guys see that? How gross it gets? And then after a while, you have to like push it down because the product will sink back in, you see? So I wouldn't recommend this. I just use it because it's the only lip color that matches me right now, because I literally got rid of everything. So one of my favorite lip glosses is this Fenty Glow right here. I love this shade. It's so pretty. So bomb over any lipstick, I'm telling you. And I normally have on nude Nuisance from Maybelline. I use this all the time. Oh, you know what? My lash glue is ready. I first anchor it in the middle part of my eye, and then I take the end, stamp it on, take the other end, then I pinch my lashes with the false lashes. What was that? What the hell I just said? Boom. That looks good, right? Same thing on this eye. Hit the middle. And I also like to come up from above. Secure the ends. Sometimes when you push your head back too, that helps. Alright, so I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara for lips. Let's pick a lip. So the last time I did makeup, I did this lip combo and I love this so much. I'm gonna go in with this lipstick from MAC. It is called Cherish. It's just a very pretty nude brownish color, and I'm only gonna apply it like in the middle part. I'm gonna go back in with my lip liner and blend everything. This lip color is very pretty, but it's very cool tone, and it could like wash me out a little bit. That's why I always put on a lip gloss. That's why I love going in with the Fenty one. But you guys, I recently picked up the Fenty cream. What is this called? I don't know. Their cream formula in the same packaging. You guys, this is so bomb. This is so bomb. Like, I was about to curse, but I held myself back. This is so good. This is in the shade Honey Waffles. Yo, when I tell you this is fire, this is fire. This can be the second item you pick up from whatever I used today. Oh, you guys see that? You see the difference? Like, the formula is bomb and it smells hella good. Like, this is a vibe right here. What? All right, you guys, I'm finally back. I got to dry my hair. It took forever today. I don't know why. I decided to do like a side part. I don't know. I really like it. It just kind of like fell this way. I think I need to like reshape my bangs because they're just way too long. They just look really crazy. But yeah, I really like the way my hair came out today. It came out really nice. So I just wanted to close out this video and say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials. And my camera's about to die, so it's officially the end of this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And of course, don't forget to glow. Mwah. Bye.